Hello students, in today's video we will do back exercise questions. First is read and answer. A part is choose and write the correct answer. First question in A part is a train moves because it is pulled by an. एक ट्रेन क्यों मूव करता है? ये किसके द्वारा पुल किया जाता है? Options are owl, B is aeroplane, C is ant and D is engine. Answer will be engine. A train moves because it is pulled by an engine. Okay. Second is the SI unit of force is the. Force की SI unit क्या है? Options are Joule, Isaac, Newton, Graham. Answer will be Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. Third is a force caused by the action of muscles is known as dash force. एक फोर्स जो कि मसल की वजह से अप्लाई होती है, इसको हम क्या फोर्स कहते हैं? A option is magnetic, B muscular, C frictional, D mechanical. Answer will be muscular force. Fourth is the pull of earth is called. अर्थ के पुल को क्या कहा जाता है? Options are Newton, gravity, force, push. Answer will be gravity. Pull of earth is called gravity. Fifth is a balance used to measure the weight of an object is called a. एक ऐसी बैलेंस जिसका यूज़ ऑब्जेक्ट की वेट को मेज़र करने के लिए किया जाता है, वो क्या है? ऑप्शंस आर स्प्रिंग बैलेंस, स्प्रेन बैलेंस, बैलेंस, डल बैलेंस. आंसर विल बी स्प्रिंग बैलेंस. B. Fill in the blanks. First is the force can change the direction of dash objects. The force can change the direction of moving objects. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स मूव कर रहे होते हैं उनकी डायरेक्शन को फोर्स चेंज कर सकता है. सेकेंड इज व्हेन अ मूविंग व्हीकल इज डैश. By pressing the accelerator, it starts moving faster. When a moving vehicle is accelerated, बच्चे यहाँ आएगा accelerated. Accelerated by pressing the accelerator. Accelerator को प्रेस करके हम moving vehicle को accelerate कर सकते हैं. Okay? Third is the force which act only when there is a physical contact between two interacting objects is known as. ऐसी फोर्स जो फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में, एक दूसरे के फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में आने से लगती हैं, उनको क्या कहा जाता है? कांटेक्ट फोर्स. फोर्थ इज द फोर्स एक्टिंग अगेंस्ट द. The force acting against the dash of the surfaces in contact is called frictional force. यहाँ पे आएगा बच्चे relative motion. The force acting against the relative motion of surfaces in contact is called frictional force. Fifth is the force that is produced by a machine is called. Answer will be mechanical force. Sixth is gravitational force. Dash force and magnetic forces are example of non-contact forces. आपको यहाँ पे non-contact forces के example बताने हैं, जिसमें से दो दे दिए गए हैं, gravitational force and magnetic force. Third आपका यहाँ आएगा electrostatic force. Seventh is the force exerted by attraction and dash of charges is called electrostatic force. Answer will be the force exerted by attraction and repulsion of charges. यहाँ repulsion आएगा. Is called electrostatic force. Okay. This is all about today's video. Thank you.